The next generation of foldable from the Samsung is right around the corner. Let's have a look on the teaser of the Z Flip 4, which has been public from the Samsung recently. In the teaser, we can clearly see that the Samsung Unpacked event is on August 10, which is just a week ahead. There are no major changes in the design of the Galaxy Z Fold 4, but the specifications are updated from the last years and it has the following specifications like the outer display of Samsung Z Fold 4 will be of 6.2 inch of 120Hz AMOLED display, and the internal display will be of 7.6 inch with 120Hz refresh rate. It will support up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of ROM. Samsung Z Fold 4 will have S Pen support in it. The camera sensor has been also updated from the last year. Now it will have triple rear camera setup at the back with 50 megapixel plus 12 megapixel ultra wide and 10 megapixel for telephoto zoom. These are some of the specifications of the Samsung Z Fold 4. If you want to know more about the upcoming smartphone, subscribe to this channel. Till then, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.